I told myself I'm gonna start recording actual YouTube videos, so let's record the first one. This is my 1981 Corvette. It has seen better days. It has seen better days. As you could tell, it's a little moldy. If you could smell this right now, your head would probably blow up. There's plenty of fresh mouse turds. Must be a pretty big mouse. But other than that, pretty solid car. Decently solid. Two-tone. Just needs some love. So my goal is to not throw up and or die from cleaning the inside, so I'm gonna wear gloves and a respirator. I'm gonna take everything out of the interior, the seats, all these buckets and crap and whatever, door panels back here, and I'm gonna lay it all out and we'll see what we got. Alright, I got these two seats out. There's a Rochester carburetor. These seats have definitely seen better days. I don't mind rat shit, but mold, that's something else. Door panels, inner wheel well covers. They're kind of wet. Probably just gonna throw them out. Some other miscellaneous interior pieces. Armrests. Definitely not for resting your arms on. Here's the other door panel. Got a new battery. Seat belts. Meh. Little jack handle. I'm not sure. Probably interior runners. This looks like it covers the distributor on the engine. And then you got a bucket full of crap. I will use this though. Let's actually put this where it belongs. Ouch. That might not stay. But anyway. Here is my cleaned out version of the interior. I wish I had a vacuum. Well, I do have a vacuum, but the power went out, so I can't use the vacuum. Anyway, here it is. I'm sure the family of mice are in here, which I don't think I'm gonna stick my hand in there. But anyways, looks pretty good back here. That's where the battery sits. There's some acorns. Wheel wells. This cover pulls out. It's a cool option to have. Whoops. Gauges. You know I'd be jamming. Put some music on. T-tops are nice. My favorite part is the T-tops. keep them in here. These things are nice. And for my next trick, this is not engine oil. This is bleach. Basically, I'm gonna put bleach on everything. Mainly stuff with mold. So, everything. I'm gonna spray everything with bleach, let it sit, clean it off. Who knows if I'll even keep these seats or any of the interior. Who knows? But as long as there's no mold, maybe I will. That had to be my favorite part, spraying interior panels and carpeting with a hose and bleach. If you want to piss off a Corvette owner, this is probably the way to do it. But you cannot argue that the mold is better than some wet seats. It's gonna be like 95 tomorrow, so all this should dry decently, I guess. If you want to see an exciting video, just wait until I get my power washer out. I will blast the inside of this car. Anyway, I found this manual in the glove box. It's pretty cool. I accidentally sprayed it with the hose. But yeah. Sick. Interesting. Alright, that pretty much sums up the video. Gutted the interior, cleaned all the panels with some bleach and water, threw away some stuff. Didn't get a chance to vacuum because the whole town lost power. Some tree fell down or something. I could spray some stuff in here, maybe not with bleach, but I'd like to vacuum first, so. Alright, catch you on the next one.